Meet the convergence of machinery, technology, and global talent. HETA Construction Equipment Global Training Center. A global network of affiliates, this place at the center. We empower the next generation of construction equipment professionals and prepare the future of maintenance technology. Over 500 dealers and technical trainers worldwide connected, on site,
large excavators
in Korea, and online. The government-certified National Training Institute. Education that leads industrial change and the ESG era. A place where national-level experts are trained. Here, we build more than skills. The standard of maintenance. The benchmark of training. And the expertise that reshapes the future of the industry. Beyond training. This is where the future of the construction equipment industry begins. HETA Construction Equipment Global Training Center.